Aeronautical engineering at USW is a unique offering to prepare qualified graduates for the future needs of the aviation and aeronautical industries. Students are taught from the very first day in their course how to design systems and subsystems with an aim to be able to develop innovative full-scale aircraft designs at the completion of their studies. Students benefit from a complete set of industry-relevant facilities, which includes CAD software, rapid prototyping, wind tunnels, CFD FAA software, and a state-of-the-art engineering flight simulator. The flight test exercise that we offer to the Year 3 students is usually what students would enjoy most. It is a unique opportunity for them to flight test a real aircraft during their studies. Our students can do their final year projects in collaboration with aviation and aerospace companies, and they also have the option of an industrial placement at the end of the Year 2 of their studies. Graduates of our aeronautical engineering degree are in demand in the UK and in the civil and defense sectors worldwide. Some of the companies with which our UK graduates work include Rolls-Royce, GE Aviation, MBDA, Airbus, Boeing, Royal Air Force, and the UK Ministry of Defence.